How to use US Xpress Honest Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. If you're entering the trucking world, US Xpress offers opportunities for drivers, but beginners often make costly mistakes. Here's my honest review and guide. Most people get this wrong. They assume all routes and pay structures are the same. The surprising truth is that pay varies by route, equipment type, and experience. Review the details carefully before accepting assignments. Another mistake is overlooking safety and compliance requirements. Logging hours correctly, maintaining your vehicle, and following regulations are critical. Failure to comply can result in fines or termination. Training is essential. Beginners sometimes skip orientation or optional classes, thinking they'll learn on the road. US Xpress provides thorough training programs that reduce risk and improve performance. Fuel and maintenance are additional pitfalls. Keeping track of expenses and regular maintenance prevents costly breakdowns and delays. In conclusion, using US Xpress properly requires understanding pay, following safety rules, completing training, and maintaining your truck. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures a successful career and smooth operations in 2025.